I hope you're ready to love yourself. We're gonna have so much fun. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, right kick.
Panic attack.
Kick,
I did the
kick,
work. It
hip,
didn't work.
hip, again, right.
That truth, it hurts. That damn, it hurts. That lovey-dovey shit was not a fan.
Now you go.
I'm
2,
good with my friends.
2. Single, switch, side.
I'm in my bed. I'm too fine to be here alone. On the other hand, I know my worth. And now
you know your worth.
Why do I feel like this?
Double kick, kick. Single, Now watch. 2 kicks. Turn, shuffle. 2 kicks. Turn and shuffle. Turn. Now all the way around. Other side. Good job. Turn it out. From the top.
How am I supposed to love
somebody else
when I don't like myself? Like, ooh, guess I better learn to like this. Ooh,
here's that double.
My whole life
Yes.
just to do.
Ow!
He called me Melly. He squeezed my belly. I'm too embarrassed.
Pop that
to say
in.
I like it.
Get it.
Is this my boo? That's why I'm asking you, 'cause you know I've been through.
Run it up, out, and out. Take it back, and out. Again, bring it up. Back. Now this time we're going to turn around. Right here. Turn. Now jog it. To the back. Nice, girl.
Let me know.
Ponytail with it. Left. You got this, Jade. Run it up. Out. Hey, listen, the important part is you learn how to love yourself. And you're dancing, you're having fun. And when you mess up, you just keep going. Look at these two. They're just having the time of their life. If you mess up, follow their lead. Yes. All right, we're going to slow it down. Get a little sexy. Hip hop. Take it back.